guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Beautyartist Selin. If you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. You know how we do. If you have not subscribed, please go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you'll be notified when I have a new video on my channel. With that being said, thank you. Hey baby girls, hey boos, how you guys doing? So guys, today your baby girl, she's coming with another beautiful makeup look. Especially it's made for summer. This look is what I will be wearing throughout the summer, even if the summer is not really much, it's not too long. Still, this is the kind of makeup I will wear. On camera it might look full coverage, but trust me, it was an effortless and minimizing makeup tutorial. Always get away with this look. I wasn't needing that too much long time. Yeah, I decided to come up with this kind of beautiful peachy eye look. I'm really upset with the way it turned out. If you're interested, you want to see how I got this beautiful face for summer without you getting light twisted for yourself, you already know what to do. Just stick around and enjoy. As always, all the products I use are going to be listed down below. Feel free to check it out. Especially the primer I use for my face is lit. Is the game of this makeup situation. So no long talking, baby girls. As always, don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care, love this child. Mwah. So we are just going to go straight ahead and start to prime our face. Okay, we are having a new wig. Yes. So guys, the other day on my previous video, you know I was using this Kylie face moisturizer cream. But today I'm going to be telling you how it feels on my skin. So after the lockdown, I believe that I'm going to be getting the full bottle, because this is a tester. It's a Kylie cosmetic face moisturizer and it feels super good. This is the second one I got too, so I love the first one and I'm trying it again. So yeah, I'm going to get it, because nowadays when you buy an high-end primer or face moisturizer, it's just like a skincare, and I love the feeling. I'm not going to be needing too much because I'm going to use it 3 times. Just rub it all over my face. It makes my face super moisturized, and yeah, and the smell is very good. It doesn't have so much perfume. I don't like face moisturizer that have a lot of perfume. I don't like primer. I'm going to be taking this Milk Cosmetic Hydrio primer. Yeah. Calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down, calm down. A little bit goes a long way with this primer. Sometimes I just being carried away. A very good primer that it will contain with one pump all your face. Toofaced Peachy Just Setting Spray. Absorb that into my skin perfectly. So guys, for foundation today, I'm going to be going in with my summer foundation. Go in with the Naked Skin Weightless Foundation in the shade number 10. And I'm going to mix it with this foundation that I got for so long. It's a Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F13. It's a little bit light and this one is a little bit dark, so the combination is going to be booming. I'm just going to be applying. It's not coming up. Baby girl, don't mess me up. I still have half full inside. Why is it not coming out? She is not okay. To apply the foundation on my face, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blender brush. Okay, e.l.f. blender. So yeah, what am I doing? The way I blend from my mouth area and then move straight and blend one side. I kind of look crazy right now, but don't worry. No stress, no hard feelings. Just relax, just chill. Take a glass of water and then see how the drama rolls, how the bar rolls. Okay, it's a blender, beauty sponge, as I'm doing right now. Okay, yeah, you see how matte we look. Airbrush look, period. I'm going to be taking the Naked Skin Definition Powder Foundation in the shade Dark Warm. I'm going to be taking this Juvia's Place round buffer brush To highlight, I'm going to be taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. So in summer, we don't need too much concealer, just like so. Yeah, yes, of course, around my mouth. Yeah, you guys know how we do it. So I'm just going to let that sit a couple of minutes while that is cooking and baking and oxidizing in my skin. I'm just going to go ahead and take the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F16. Leave it a little bit to oxidize into my skin, just to take a little bit of chill peel on my skin. It gives me more coverage and it's super easy to blend. And to blend my contour, I'm going to be taking the Makeup Factory contour brush, my Holy Grail. To blend in my highlights, taking my Dear Beauty Blender. Wish me luck. Just wish me luck. You guys know I always love to use this brush to contour. My go-to, my baby girl. She ain't go nowhere. She has come to stay, period. I've decided maybe I should try something else. I'm going to be taking this Best Top brush, to be dabbing just like so. If it's going to give me extra scuffy or snatch nose contour. If it's not, no struggle, no hard feelings. I got my baby beside me. She's going to do the job for mama as always. When I did the review, or I don't know, I can't remember, but I know I've used it once. I wasn't really satisfied or I wasn't impressed, you know, so I just decided to let it lie low for a minute, touch around so we don't have too much ashiness going on our nose. I woke up like this. So I'm going to be taking my foundation brush. I'm just going to do extra blending so that everything can look well blended and seamlessly, if that makes sense. Bond mixed setting powder, my beauty blender like that, and yeah, do the job. I'm just going to press until it's sucking in under my eye. CoverGirl Queen Ebony Bronze. So yeah. So guys, I was doing my eyebrow basically, but I noticed that I didn't delete some videos, so my memory card got too full, so I had to delete. So I did my brow. You didn't see that? See, I used the AB-ish dipbrow pomade in the shade Ebony. Then I went ahead and cleaned my eyebrow with the L'Oreal Infallible Modern Concealer, and that is what I apply on my lid as well. I went ahead and used my L'Oreal synthetic brush just to blend that all over my eye. I'm going to be going in and take my setting powder and set my eye from creasing. Achieve the eye look, I'm going to be taking this Makeup Revolution Pro HD eyeshadow palette. This one is on Social Lights. So this is how it looks like. This is a simple eye look because that is a vibe I am right now. I'm going to be taking this brush by 6 Plus buffer brush. That is what I'm going to use to apply the shade on my lid. The match. This look is super effortless, okay? Don't get life twisted, baby girl. Super effortless. Trust me, I'm going to use one brush to achieve this eye look right here. Take this shade. I'm just going to blend out the edges very softly. You hardly know if I have any shade on my crease. Sure. And I'm going to be taking this shade right here next to this shade. I use this shade first to blend out the crease, and I'm going to take the shade right here. I'm using the same brush, baby girls. Taking this beautiful shade right here, not too light. Just going to dab that a little bit right there. Yes, it shouldn't be too pronounced. At least you have something there, definition. Eye Studio Gel Liner and taking this Louvier Prime Virgin brush 1-1. To take the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Guys, for lashes, I'm going to be taking this Shady Champagne G107. Beautiful dark chocolate shade. I'm just going to apply it on top of my lash band because I don't want it to be dark, so I just had to bring the darkness a little bit down. So it's working, yeah. I'm just going to smoke that out. Smoke that out. Yes. 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 Fix Plus Matte Setting Spray. Fix Plus Matte. What was that? Our makeup incomplete. I'm going to be taking the Bobbi Brown Raw Sugar Shimmer highlighter, okay, like so. Yes, right, so line my lips. I'm going to be taking the MAC lip liner in Plum. So I'm going to be taking this Catrice lip butter. Extra, I'm going to be taking this MAC Vampy lip gloss spring. Yeah, this one is in spring. It's going to highlight the middle of my lips a little bit. I'm going to be topping it with a Dior lip gloss, and this one is in 413. What are you thinking?